Do you want to learn how to build amazing strength from the inside out to increase the resilience of your body to be able to hit harder, to fight longer, and to shake off whatever your opponent throws at you? Well, I'm John Haas from Warrior Fitness. One of the things that has always fascinated me are stories of the greatest martial artists in history. Musashi, Ueshiba, Kano, Funakoshi, Takamatsu, Sagawa, Hatsumi, Bruce Lee, just to name a few of the more popular figures. But I've never been content in just knowing what they knew. I've always taken a step further and I want to seek what they sought. So they say that the best way to go farther is to stand on the shoulders of giants. So in that spirit, I invite you to come with me on a journey to stand on the shoulders of the martial giants and not just know what they knew, but seek what they sought. I'm really excited to present for the first time ever this system of training that I've named Ryu Tai Tanren, which translates to Dragon Body Forging. Now, why a dragon? Simply because the dragon is the symbol not just of strength, but of wisdom, not just of power, but of suppleness. And even more so, the dragon is that timeless being who has the ability to be resilient, to have energy, to be sought after for its knowledge. Now, that's kind of why I've used the term dragon, but dragon body additionally connotes that we will build a highly functional, super strong, extremely resilient body for the martial arts powered from the inside out, okay? This system of Tanren will give you the ability to not only hit like a truck, to increase your striking power of your kicks and your punches and your weapons work phenomenally, but also to be literally almost unthrowable, unlockable, very, very difficult to take down to the ground because your body is going to learn exactly how to absorb and retranslate force so that you're like a coiled steel spring. You've stored that energy and you have that ability to release it at any point. Now, in this system I'm going to be teaching you, we're going to start from step one. So we're going to work from step one all the way through to build this body for martial arts, this dragon body. Now, all the details are below. I just wanted to give you a quick video introduction so I could kind of brief you and let you know how excited I am to be offering this. And if any of this is resonating with you, go read the details, sign up for this class, because we are going to take things much further than ever before, and I can't wait for you to join me.